Hey everybody, my daughter needed a lap desk for doing things in her bedroom like homework or even like watching the iPad. Her friend had one of these, highly recommended it, and so we got it and I just wanted to show you. So here's a look at the back. You can see this is plastic and it has this like fake wood top to it. And then on the bottom, the legs are metal. And then they have cushiony like things on the bottom. So those are nice because they fold down. And then when you open it up, it stands up. So when I sit as an adult, I can use this and it's really, really great. So it comes with this cord that you plug in on the bottom here. This is it right here. And I am going to show you how this works. I'm using my external power supply here to demonstrate, but you could also plug this into an outlet, but you would just need the little power bank. You have a drawer, and when you pull out the drawer, you have these accessories. You also have a place here for a cup. My cup is too big. This is like gigantic, but you have a place for a cup here. Oh, here's one. So there you go. You have this slot here where you can put like pencils and things. There's a spot for a pencil to stand up right here. Or you could use this for your tablet. This comes with this cute little fan. So you pop that on, and then when you plug it in, it turns on and you can adjust it. You can see you get like a nice little breeze with that. So you have a little fan, and then you have a light. So again, you just plug this in and then you have a little light. Like, how great is this? So this is just such a clever little desk. And then right there, you can see that's where you can put your pen standing up. And then there's like a little nook there. And then you open this up and you keep all of your accessories in here or whatever you have. What a great little option to help your kids be as successful as they can be with their homework. Also great if you are having dinner on the couch. So you might want to pick up a bunch of these. Loving this. It's nice and sturdy, lightweight, and it has that fun little fan and light. I mean, come on, that just makes it great right there. So definitely check it out.